Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Magic Eden for Solana NFT listings, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Magic Eden and press enter. Click on the official Magic Eden website link to access the platform. Once on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see options to log in using different wallet services. Select the wallet you wish to use for your login. If you choose Phantom, for instance, click on the Phantom icon. You may be prompted to open your wallet extension or app. Authorize the connection by clicking Connect in your wallet app. Once connected, you will be redirected back to Magic Eden. Your wallet address should now display on the top right corner of the web page. To view your NFT listings, navigate to the dashboard or profile section. Here, you will see your current NFTs and any listings you may have. If you wish to list an NFT, select the NFT you want to sell. Click the Sell button to proceed with the listing process. Follow the prompts to set your price and listing duration. Review the details carefully before confirming your listing. Submit your listing to make it live for potential buyers. You are now successfully logged into Magic Eden and ready to browse or list NFTs. If you encounter any issues, check your wallet connection or visit the help section for assistance. Enjoy exploring your Solana NFT collection on Magic Eden. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.